Hello and welcome to SVC. Welcome specifically to Team Jan. My name is Chris Quartermas, and I'm going to be going down and doing a quick training for you on your back office. This is something that I used to do personally, but the team is growing, and I'm not really able to do it for each and every person that comes in. So we're going to do it in video form. When you first signed in as a distributor, you were sent an email, and within that email was given you a link. I want you to just kind of click on that, or just type in skinnybodycare.com, and you will be taken to this page, which is the front page of Skinny Body Care. Up here on the top, you will click in Sign In, and this is the page that's going to come up for you. This is going to log you into your back office. In that email that you received from the company, you were given a username and a password. You're going to put both of those right here. You'll be able to change that and make it more personalized once we get on into the training. So here I'm going to go ahead. I have several accounts. So here I'm going to go ahead and we're going to log into this account. I'm going to put in my username and password. It is case sensitive. And I'm going to click on Login. This is going to take me to the front page of my back office. Here we're going to go through just a few things, and if you need to pause, there will be places that you should pause and go ahead and take care of some of the information, and I will tell you when to do that. The first thing you need to do is go right here on your left-hand side toolbar and click on User Info. You're going to go right over here to Change, and then another screen is going to come up. You're going to put in your first name, your last name, and if you would please put an asterisk behind your last name. That just makes it easier for myself and your upline to find you later on down the road in our system. So please do that. Make sure that your email and your phone number is current. Here is your username. This is something that you can choose to make it personal to you. I chose the one within for this account. My husband's is Slimming with Sean. I have another one that's The Real Me. This is going to be in your personalized website, which we will discuss next. So you can make this whatever you'd like it to be. It can be Get Healthy with Mary. It can be Get Slim with Me. That's another one that's in the team. So just choose a name here that is going to work for you. Something kind of condensed and short, because you don't want a really, really long website if you're going to be using business cards. You want to keep it a little bit short. After you do that, go ahead and put in a new password, something that you will remember as opposed to the one that the company gave you. Confirm your password. I'm probably going to have to do that here just to make sure that it gets in. So I'm going to put in a new password and confirm it, and click Save. And then it's going to say user info successfully updated, and click Continue, and it takes me back to that page. Now here's a point where you may want to pause and do that and maybe go back and refer to the video. Here is your payment info. You're going to want to do the same thing. Click on Change, and then add in the payment info that you're going to be using for your monthly auto ship purchase. I use my credit wallet, which we will have in another video to describe that to you. So I don't have a credit card on file. But if you're going to be using a credit card, go ahead and fill in that information, click Save, and then it's not going to let me do that. Go back over here. And you will change that to add your info in, and then just click Save. You want to make sure that your shipping address is correct. And once you receive, you get over $600 in income, it's going to ask you to go ahead and fill out for your tax information. So that's where you fill out your personal info. Again, go ahead and click pause and do that now. Your website addresses, I'm not going to go through a lot of that because it's in your boot camp and there's a complete breakdown of those, so you should already have that done and have a pretty good understanding of your websites. But here, I want to show you, it shows the one within. This is what your website is going to look like on your personal info page when you change your ID. It's going to show right there. So these are your personal websites that have been done just for you. You've got about 20 of them, I think. There are two different types of websites that you can see here. The two that you have are your business opportunity pages and your product specific pages. The business pages that are under there are so that you can send those links to someone so that they can become a distributor with you. It tells them about the business and encourages them to sign up. If you signed up with someone, you've probably seen that. The product specific landing pages are just what it says. It's any link, any of those links you can send to customers who are curious about the product, they want to know more, or they're just ready to order. So that's how you're going to do that. We do have a free skinny fiber system, so if someone purchases a buy three get three from you and they're going to share it with someone else, they can go ahead and you can give the second person a free skinny fiber system so that they'll be able to have their own 90-day challenge website. They will not be able to win $1,000, and they will not get a T-shirt, but they will have that website, and in order to track their weight loss. And the fantastic thing about that is they will be able. There's a little button on the left-hand side of their toolbar that says Order Now. So it could turn into 2 sales as opposed to just 1. We're going to go over here to the About Me page, and this is where you may have to pause in order to take care of this. I'm going to click on Edit on the Opportunity pages, which again are the pages that people see in order to make a purchase from you. You're going to click Please Show this page to my prospects because you want people to be able to see this page. You want to choose File and put in a nice current photo of yourself so that it can be more personalized. If you'd like to change these 2 headers, you can. I usually leave them. As you're looking at your page, it's going to say last name, first name, last name, and state and city. And those are going to be in arrows. Mine are not in arrows. You just put in that information, remove the arrows from here, and then what you're going to do is this Facebook button, we want to connect your Facebook page to your back office. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to a Facebook page. You will click on your name right here. And then you're just going to, you can't really see it. Let me see if I can pull this up. Here we go. You're going to copy this address. You're just going to right click and copy it. And then you're going to bring it back over here to your back office. And you will just paste it right here where it says Add a Facebook button. You'll just right click and you'll paste it right there. And then that's going to make sure that your Facebook page is connected to your back office. Then you will just go here and click Save. And then you'll do the exact same thing on your customer pages. That will connect you with your future clients. I'm not going to go into your genealogy very much. I'm not going to go into company momentum. I'm going to click on the leaderboard. This does take just a minute in order to load. So I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, here we go. This just shows you the top 300 in the company and how many sales that they've had for the month. So this is a really good thing. It's really exciting to see your name get on that board. We're going to kind of go over here, the company reports, and I'm going to go over this really quickly because we don't want to make this a really long video. If you are someone who needs a lot of accountability, go through this pack page. This is a really excellent thing to use. You can give yourself a point system to keep yourself accountable. If you handed out brochures, you get 10 points. If you send an invite email, you get 5 points. If you do a presentation to someone, you get 25 points. If you had a guest get on a conference call, you can get 50 points. If you attend a company conference call, you get this. If you attend a company webinar, if you attend a company event, you get 500 points. Write down your top 3 goals for the week. This is an excellent way to keep yourself motivated and to keep yourself online and on track with your goals. Here we're going to click on Auto Ship. And again, this may be somewhere that you want to pause a point and check it out. You're going to change your settings. And this shows you the day of the month that your auto ship is due, how many bottles. You can change the day. You can go out to the 25th and push your auto ship out to that day. You are required to have 1 bottle of skinny fiber each month. You can put your number of bottles, however many you want on your order. Most gifts get 1. And then just click Modify Auto Ship, and it will adjust that for you. Here on order history, it shows you the last 3 orders that you've placed. This is always a rolling 3 orders. I'm going to skip on Contact Manager and go directly to Statistics. This is where you see how many people have actually looked at your website throughout the day. It gives you the day. So we'll look here at Saturday. Saturday, I had 55 hits to my website. I had no pre-enrollee upgrades. A pre-enrollee is someone who looks into the business to become a distributor with you. On Saturday, I had a sale. This is a member upgrade. So I actually had a sale right here. So when I see a sale, I automatically go back over here to my Contact Manager, and it will show me exactly what that sale was. And it shows in green. So these are some of the sales that I've had this month. If I look over here, it gives me her name, her email, shows me that she's a customer, she's active, phone number. If I click on her name, it gives me even more information. It shows me what link she came in. It's a lot of good information. So I'm going to go back to the contact manager. And over here, if it shows that I have 50 business BV, business volume, that means that someone purchased one bottle from me. If I have 100 BV, that means that someone purchased a buy two, get one free. On this $50, I made, on this 50 BV, the one bottle, I made $25. On the 100 BV, on the buy two, get one free, I made $50. And here it shows 150 BV. On this one, they bought a buy three, get three, and I made $75. That's called your fast start. So anytime you see anything over here on your statistics page, and if you see something here, you just go back over here, and you go to your contact manager, and it will give you the information on the sale that was made. We're going to kind of, in your back office, it talks here about source statistics. If you want to know exactly where your leads are coming from, say you have leads out on Pinterest, you're putting links out all over Facebook, you just do exactly what this says. This is addressed in your back office for you, so you should be able to understand it. You just use this link to post on your pages, and right here where it says ABC, you just take that ABC out and you name it whatever you'd like. I have TV leads, I have team fan page, I have different things that I've named on my source codes. So that should be pretty beneficial. Your upline enrollers, it shows the top 3 people above you. Right here it shows Tasha, it shows me, and it shows my husband for this account. So say for some reason your enroller left the company, you can go to this page and you can find who's above you so that you can contact someone. We're going to click on My Earnings. And this shows you your earnings for the week. So here, like on August 1st, we're going to click this. It shows that this was my date paid. This was my paid period. I made $308 on this account, and this is what was paid out. If I double click on this, it's going to give an even more detailed view. I just clicked on detailed view, and it shows me exactly what I made off of these. So for enrolling, I made $275. Those are personal sales. And then because I ranked bronze in the company, I made an additional 11. I ranked silver, I made an additional 11. And for gold, I made an additional $11. So that's kind of where you get your My Earnings. Now here on my pay plan, this just goes through and shows you exactly, this is talked about in your back office. It goes over the pay plan. I'm going to go back to the My Earnings page, and we're going to click here to select how to receive commissions. This is a spot that you should pause. You have 2 different options, a Payoneer card or a payment option to have things direct deposited. So you want to go ahead and pause here and take care of this option. Products, we do have 2 different products. We have Skinny Fiber and we have Aegis, which is our wonderful skin cream. Current rank, this shows you what your current rank is for the month. You always want to go up here and click this month's rank, and it shows you where you are ranked for the month. If you click here and you do a drop down, next month's rank, it shows you where you're ranked for next month and what you need to do in order to obtain the next rank. And these questions can all be answered for you later. But this is just, like I said, it's just a quick walkthrough of your back office. You do have your 90-day challenge website here. Please don't not use this. Track your information. Do good with your weight loss. Really work on that. Utilize the 90-day challenge because you signed up to either lose weight and make money or just to lose weight. Once you're in your back office, you can always go, or in your 90-day challenge page, just click here and it takes you back to your distributor back office. I think for right now, that's kind of a really quick rundown, but you can utilize this video. And again, be sure to have pauses, stop it, take care of the things that need to be taken care of, and just have a great time with SBC. You always get back with your enroller if you have a question. If you can't get with your enroller, you can ask me a question, and I'm always there to help. Again, this is just a quick rundown on your back office. I think that you are going to do a fantastic job in Skinny Body Care. I'm a double platinum leader in the company. I've been with the company for over a year now, and I absolutely love it. Every day is a blessing, and I just pray that every day will be a blessing for you as well. Have a good one. Go get 'em.